Samsung Galaxy M40 is out today in India. It's the latest in the M series, which Samsung claims has sold over 2 million units in India within the first 100 days. That's a big number to boast of. Can the Galaxy M40 be better than all the three? Welcome to Digit.in. Let's take a look at some interesting features of the Galaxy M40. The Samsung Galaxy M40 comes in the same plastic body like all the other M series phones, but this time Samsung is offering two new colors, both based on blue. You have the midnight blue and the ocean blue. The one we have with us is the darker midnight blue, which resemble the colors of the M20 and the M10, but it's a bit darker than them. On the back are three cameras and a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor. It's also surprisingly quite lightweight. On the front, Samsung has brought the Infinity O display with the camera drilled into the top left corner, just like the Galaxy S10 phones. Expectedly, Samsung also stretched the display all the way to the edges, offering 6.3 inches of real estate with 91% screen-to-body ratio. It's a TFT LCD display and not an AMOLED panel like the Galaxy M30. It's fairly bright though. Inside, there's a Snapdragon 675 with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. This makes the Galaxy M40 the most powerful M series phone, at least on paper. There's also a 3500 mAh battery to keep the lights on, and the battery is topped up by a 15-watt fast charger and a USB-C cable. On the back, there are three cameras. Samsung is offering a 32-megapixel camera with f1.7 aperture as the primary sensor, coupled with an 8-megapixel wide-angle camera capable of delivering 123-degree field of view and another 5MP sensor for depth mapping. On the front is another 32MP camera for selfies. The camera also comes with Samsung's own scene optimizer and shoot slow-mo videos and hyperlapse, and has a portrait mode as well. The Galaxy M40 is also quite unique in the way it produces sound. You won't find a speaker grill on the body. The sound comes straight through the display and it's quite loud. The phone runs on the latest One UI by Samsung, which is based on Android 9 Pie. That's also a good departure from the other M series phones, which are still stuck with Samsung's Experience UI. The icons in the new UI are much larger and it's a lot more neatly packed with good aesthetic appeal. The phone also supports Widevine L1 certification, meaning you can stream your movies and shows in full HD. There's also support for Dolby Atmos sound as well. The Galaxy M40 will be sold on Amazon and Samsung's online store. At the time of recording this video, the price wasn't known. We are hoping it will be priced below 20,000. The final price will be written in the description below. So that's more or less everything the Galaxy M40 offers. We will be spending some more time with the phone in the days to come. Send the questions you want us to tackle in the review video coming up soon. And for more videos like this, stay tuned to Digit.in. Thank you.
For the latest technology updates, subscribe to Digit.in and don't forget to hit the bell icon.